today destroying about 5 tons of drug worth 550 million.
Kutshiswe indakamizwa ezibiza ingidigidi zamaranda uqeda nya urhwebelana ngendakamizwa lapha eSouth Africa.
The start of preferential trade will create great opportunities for growth and development.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uvule ngokusemthethweni urhwebelana simahla kwamazwe asenarhakazini yeAfrika. Kwaba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa zindaba kodwa ku SABC 1 zesiNdebele lotshani. Emzameni yokuqeda urhweba ngendakamizwa eSouth Africa, amapholisa atshise indakamizwa ezibiza ingidigidi zamaranda ezihlotshaniswa namacala amakhulu lapha ekhethu. Kilomnyaka wemali kutshiswe indakamizwa ezibiza imali engaphezulu kwebillion yamaranda. Namhlanje kuseni amapholisa weJohannesburg atshise amathani amahlanu wendakamizwa ekubala kizo ibange icocaine nemandrax.
ISouth Africa iqalene nomraro othuwelelako ukuthengiswa kwendakamizwa. Lokhu thuwelelisa ubulele sobuhlelekileko emphakathini bebukhamseleleke nangale kwemkhawulo. Emzameni wokulwa nobulele sobu, amapholisa weSouth Africa aqothela ukulwisana nokurhwebelana ngendakamizwa emkhawulweni athathe nepahle beyihlelelwe ukuyokuthengiswa endleleni. Bayi 19,000 abantu ababotshwe malungana nokufunyanwa abaphethe indakamizwa ngamaholiday wokuphela komnyaka.
We are today destroying about 5 tons of drug worth 550 million. These drugs come from various provinces, especially Free State, KZN, Gauteng, Mpumalanga, Limpopo, and Northwest.
Leli lijima lesithathu lokulisana nokurhwebelana ngendakamizwa kulomnyaka wemali. Nanyana kunjalo, imiphakathi ithi leyo ngiyo yodwa indlela yokuqeda umraro wendakamizwa.
The term war against drugs is no longer even a thing, because one thing that we have realized is this challenge of substances and illicit substances in particular is a challenge that requires a more holistic way of dealing with it.
It's just but one piece of the puzzle when it comes to addressing substance use disorder. Like my colleague said, we need all departments on board.
Amajima okulisana nobulelesi aqothele khulu inhlanganiselo ezahlukahlukeneko zenilelesi namasango emkhawulo nengikhumulweni zenkebe.
We have seen a new trend of late, especially drugs coming from South America, where they are being hidden either in paint or hidden with meat packages.
Amapholisa asebenzisana nemphathimandla zakamanye amazwe ukuqeda ukuthuwelela kokusatshalaliswa kwendakamizwa elizweni lekhethu apha.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa namhlanje wethule ngokomthetho isivumelwano sokurhwebelana simahla enarhakazini yeAfrika esikhumulweni senkebe eThekwini esifundeni saKwaZulu-Natal.
Amahlelo okurhwebelana simahla kwenarhakazi yeAfrika kuzokuvusa umnotho wenarhakazi yeAfrika ngombana uphasi lokho kubabazekako mahluwo wodwa ngomnotho wenarhakazi weAfrika.
We need to pivot the Africa Continental Free Trade Area as a lever that we can utilize to catapult our country to greater levels of growth. Not only will it benefit our country's producers, but it will also see a huge increase in traffic through our ports, our airports, and our land-based border posts as well.
Ukwemvumelana nenthembiso zokuhlumisa umnotho, umengameli Ramaphosa uqunde ilageni lomhlahlandlela nokuvulela umkhumbi othwele ipahle eGhana ngethemba lokuthi eminyakeni elithumi kuya kweli-15 umthelo wepahla eqa umkhawulo uzobaphasana phakathi kwalamazwe. Nakusenjalo zinethemba elikhulu inthunywa zabosomabhizinisi babantu abanzima bathi amazwe la azokuzuza wonke. Ababelani nabo bathi ukurhwebelana okho kuzokusiza nokuthi amazwe angathumelani kwaphela imikhiqizo engakagaywa, kodwana azokuthoma azikhanzingele nanzi athumelane nemikhiqizo epheleleko. Umengameli Ramaphosa ugandele ukuthi lokhu kuzoba nomthelelo omuhle nokuthi kuvulele abantu abasikazi nabantu abatsha imisebenzi bekubonakala ekhula nomnotho olethwa zimbaseli.
Ikhotho kaMagistrate weGroblersdal eLimpopo ikuthulisele ngomhla ka7 kuMhlolanja ukufakwa kwesibawo sebhail sabosomaplasa ababili abasola ngokubetha nokusasazela ngezinja uGadi. uMagistrate uBogi Mashele uthi ufuna ukuqala amavidiyo eluse ubulelesi mayana nokusahlo lokhu ngaphambi kokuthi yethule isahlulelo sesibawo sebhail. uPeter Groenewald weminyaka ema-63 ubudala kwenye Stefan Greef baqalene namacala okubetha ngehloso yokulimaza okuhlobana nokuhloyana ngokobutshaba.
Beziqinisiwe zokuphepha godu ngaphandle kwekhotho kaMagistrate weGroblersdal namhlanje. Ungqongqotjhe wamapolisa nemphathimandla zomnyango wozokuhlengwa kwesimilo bebahlangana nesitshabe besikhona. Imphathimandla zisuke ema-ofisini kaMasipalata wesikhukhuni zachinga ekhotho. Kanti bathi ukuphakanyiswa kwemflahaza isikhathi sebandlululo nakulalelwa icala kuyadanisa.
We also condemn any display of apartheid flags that invoke emotions in our country, that reminds us of the apartheid past by any grouping.
Ucele uthi amapolisa akhona nangabe kwenzeka okuphambana nomthetho.
So mapolisa, you remain under instruction, be tough and make sure that the law is enforced at all time. We are here to support you. Don't dare not to enforce the law when it's supposed to be enforced.
Ekhotho kufundwe ama-affidavit wabasolwa. Ikhotho izwe ukuthi uPeter Groenewald wakhe wabotshelwa ukubulala kunye nokulinga ukubulala phambilini. Ngemva kwesigobo sakhe wakhutshwa ngeparula ngemva kwalokho walitshalelwa. Nanyana kunjalo endabeni yanamhlanje uGroenewald nalo yasolwa naye bathi batsho bona benze lokhu ngombane bebazivikela. Abasolwa ababili aba bathi batsho inhlangano zepolitiki zisebenzisa icala labo ukuzuza ngehlangothini lezepolitiki. Icala leli lithuliswe mhlamala ngalikhomba kuMhlolanja.
Amagqwetha abasolwa ecaleni lokubulawa kwakwaSomapala weOrlando Pirates uSenzo Meyiwa aphakamise bona igqwetha ebelijamele ummangalela wesibili uBongani Ntanzi ngokuya ngamarekhodi wekhotho bekalipholisa. Nakuchukwa ngembuzo umphenyi omkhulu ecaleni uBrigadier Bongani Gininda uadvocate Zandile Mshololo utshele uGininda bona uDominic Mjiyako bekasebenza ezikweni lobulelesi lamapholisa bekube iminyaka ka2016 engatsho ukuthi uNtanzi mhlawumnye bamthile bekulilanga lokugcina uGininda wachukwa ngembuzo.
Amagqwetha abasolwa aveze ezinye insolo. Uadvocate Zandile Mshololo utshela ikhotho bona igqwetha uDominic Mjiyako ovela njengegqwetha lomsolo wesibili uBongani Ntanzi bekalipholisa. Ngokuya ngamarekhodi wekhotho uMjiyako wajamela uNtanzi ekuthomeni nakavela wekhotho kaMagistrate weBoksburg nalokho nakusola bona wavuma icala. Kodwa umphenyi omkhulu uBrigadier Bongani Gininda utshela ikhotho bona yena akazilitho.
Do you know that Mjiyako has been a member of the SAPS up until 2017?
No,
2016, sorry.
No, I wouldn't know, my lord.
You don't know that?
No, I wouldn't know. We didn't discuss that. And we are not acquainted, and I never worked with him. If he was in the police, I certainly didn't come across him or interacted with him in any matter for that matter.
And in this matter, when you were in... Sorry.
You may proceed.
Okay. In this matter, when you were investigating this matter, you testified that you were working with the Crime Intelligence Unit. Am I correct?
I said it was, yes, it was driven, crime intelligence driven operation. So there was intelligence gathering that was present. That's correct, my lord.
Okay. And Mjiyako was working in the unit of Crime Intelligence Unit. You didn't know that?
No, I didn't know, my lord. As I said, and I'm repeating it without fear of contradiction, my lord, I've never worked with him. If he was in the police, I've never come across him. That was my first time, my lord.
Umshololo ubuza uGininda bona kuba yini ummangalo lokthoma umuzi sibiya akhanga yokuhlola bodokotela abasijameleko ngensolo zokutwabethwa. Umshololo usola uGininda ngokubhalwa kusebenza ngendlela engiyo. Insolo zokwethwa kwaSibiya mapolisa Silverton uthe akhange ibikwe ezikweni elilusa ukuziphatha kwamapolisa iIPT. uGininda ujamile ngelithi akuveli bona umsolo lo wabethwa.
iWits University inethemba lokubana kuzokuthoma kuhle nangokuthula umnyaka wezefundo. Abaphathi beuniversity le benze amahlelo angezelelweko ukuqalana nokuhlayela kwendawo zokuhlala zabafundi hlangana nokhunye. Isikhulu esiqale indaba zabafundi uJerome September uthi iuniversity le ibekele ngeqadi imbhede emakhulu amathathu ukusiza abafundi abangana indawo zokuhlala. Lokhu kuyindlela yokuphungula isibalo sabafundi abalala ngebulungelweni lencwadi okusenzo esavusa umguruguru ngomnyaka opheleleko.
University yeVets inethemba lokubana umnyaka wezifundo ka2024 uzokuthoma kuhle. Gaza abafundi nabazidlulisela ukuthola indawo zokufunda kanengi kuvame ukuba nemchakalo yemali zokufunda nendawo zokuhlala zabafundi ngesikhathi sokuzihlolisa kwabafundi. Ngomnyaka opheleleko abafundi beuniversity le bangenela umchakalo bachakalela indawo zokuhlala zabafundi.
We had much fewer beds originally. The SRC asked us at the time to add 150 beds. We were able to do that. There's a limit to what we can do, but in that demand we did meet as the institution.
Omunye wabafundi uthwenyekile uthi imbhede emakhulu amathathu le akabona ukuthi izobanela abafundi.
I don't think that's nearly enough. First years alone there were 6,300 of us and many of us needed a place to stay.
Ngomnyaka opheleleko university le yasiza abafundi abaqualify ukuthi bafunde ngesikhwama sayo sabafundi abanganamali. Kodwa nananya nanginjalo abanye abafundi bathwenyekile ngemfuneko zokusizwa ngesikhwama esi.
The hardship fund, in terms of trying to support students, have even dropped the criteria to a 48% average. So from about 48, we will assist.
Kanti abanye abafundi benza umnyaka wokuthoma banethemba lokubana imkhulumiswano uhlangana kwabaphathi beuniversity nomkhandlu ojamela abafundi izokukhamba kuhle.
It was very quick and easy. I came on campus and not online. So when you go there, it's just quick and easy. They're able to help you.
Kanti ukuzihlolisa kwabafundi ebebafunde euniversity le eminyakeni edlulileko kulindeleke bona kuthoma iveke ezako.
Nasibuya Ntolo. Sekulilanga lesibili kujikiswa inguli esibhedlela iThemba Hospital kaBokweni hlanu kweWhite River eMpumalanga. Indaba zisekhona kanti nazikufundileko zikhona ku SABC. SABC Plus ku YouTube na ku Facebook asirage nazo. Sekulilanga lesibili kujikiswa inguli esibhedlela iThemba Hospital kaBokweni hlanu kweWhite River eMpumalanga. Abasebenzi abangaphasi kweunion neHawu bangale umsebenzi malungana nobujamo obungakarisiko besibhedlela esi ukuhlayela kwabasebenzi kunye nezisetshenziswa hlangana nokhunye. Union le ithi umraro lonke wakade khulu begodwa umnyango wezempilo uyabhalelwa kuletha insombululo. Isibhedlela lesi sisebenza ngabantu abathayelako solo kwangomvulo.
Abasebenzi besibhedlela iThemba bangenela umchakalo balila ngobujamo obumba abasebenza ngaphasi kwabo bafuna benzwe ngcono. Umthangala sekelo wesibhedlela uyagirika amawota silaphazekile kumayalayala inzibi zona kusakhulunywa zizele ziyaphuphuma isiling nayo seyimaratha kuyanethela izulu nalinako nama-lift awasebenzi.
Difficult for workers to be able to access services and making sure that they must be able to work within the institution. And also the issue of moving the linens that must move within the institution, it becomes a problem and a barrier for them to do their work.
Inkuli ngizo zibetheke khulu okubabazekako kazi nenhlobo zikateleleka bona zibalethele ukudla.
I brought food for my sister who's admitted here because the workers are on strike. Our loved ones can't get food.
Ukuhlela kwabasebenzi kwenze bona babe bancane khulu abasebenzako lapha. Inguli eziningi zijikisiwe.
My child had to miss school today because we have to come to see a doctor. But we were told doctors and nurses are not working and I must come next week.
Umnyango wezempilo wesifunda uthi uyazi ngomraro lo uthi usakhulumisana nama-union.
What we can say as a department now, we are working around the clock to ensure that those issues, especially the issues of infrastructure which are lifts and other matters, are speedily attended to.
Nakusenjalo abasebenzi bafunga bona bayokuragela phambili nomchakalo bekubeke lapho kulalelwa khona inlilo zabo.
Inkampani ezidlula ku 1.7 million zisuliwe eheleni lekomishini yenkampani ezidlulisweko iCompanies and Intellectual Property Commission iCIPC. Ngokuya kweCIPC, inkampani sele zidlule iminyaka emithathu zingabhadeli umthelo waqobe nyaka obhadelwa zinkampani ezidlulisweko ukutsho ukuthi ziphule umthetho ungabhadelwa komthelo. Ziphule umthetho ukubhadelwa komthelo yinkampani.
Ikomishini yenkampani ezitlolisiweko elizweni lekhethu ithi inkampani ezidlula ku-1.7 million ezisuluwekwezi zisesenethuba lokuthi zingabuyiselwa godu ehlelweni lazo nangabe zibhadele ihlawulo nomthelo eziwukolodako. Nanyana kunjalo ithi lokho kuzokwenziwa kwaphela enkampanini ezinamandla emnothweni. Nayikhibe ikhampani leyo ayinamthelela ekukhuliseni umnotho welizwe, kuza kufanele ukuthi abaphathi bayo bathome phasi batlolise ikampani etsha. I-SABC ithi ihlelo lokusula kwenkampaneli lithinta kwaphela inkampani nama-close corporation ingasikho ama-cooperatives.
The reason why we're doing this is we have picked up many moons ago, many moons ago, is that people reinstate, they let them be finally deregistered, and then once they are ready, or they want to sell it, or they want to use it, they reinstate the companies or close corporation.
Zingitikiti zenkampani ezitloliswako qobe veke. Abantu abaningi abangasebenziko nabalahlekelwe imisebenzi babona ukuthoma ikampani kuyinto elula engabasiza kwempilweni. Nanyana kunjalo indaba yokuhlogwa kwemali neminye imikhawulo ngikho ekugcina kubangela ukuthi inkampani eziningi zigcine sele zisulwa ehlelweni lenkampani ezitlolisiweko.
You see, more of especially for individuals that didn't trade or work, I don't think it's fair for them.
I was having a company, mengwaga e fitileng e 6 e fitileng. So next time about company, next time ke tle ke ipatele ka mo.
I-CIPC iyelise inkampani ezisuluweko ngokuthi kufanele zazi ukuthi ukusulwa kwazo ngagcina sele kubangela ukuthi zisetshenziselwe imisebenzi emimbi engasisemthethweni.
Nasiphosa ilihlo kezemali, iranda lehlile nalilinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Njenganje asihlole ehlelweni sibuya nabazumi. Akwande sibu, nizume nafika phi namhlanje? Sibu ukhona?
Lamadoda la asolwa ngokuthi abethe ugadi babamlumise ngezinja. Ngale kwalokho asithokoze ethandeka silotshise umbukelo khona usekhaya. Indaba esiziphetheko namhlanje ngilezi ezithi bekavele ekhotho amadoda amabili asolwa ngokubetha nokulumisa ngezinja ugadi lapha eGroblersdal esifundeni seLimpopo. Ngale kwalokho bangenele umchagalo abasebenzi bezamaphilo esibhedlela iThemba kaBhokweni esifundeni seMpumalanga. Siphethe nebumnyango kwezabasebenzi nokuqatsha. Umlaleli namtjana umbukeli somnikela ithuba lokuthi angabuza nanyana yini aqalene nayo emsebenzini la sebenza khona. Sithokoza kakhulu ngizwa ke indaba esiziphethe namhlanje.
Sithokoze sibu. Abalingani bethu bamaswati bakhona kusasa nangilesihlanu ahlangane nigodi ngokuzako. Kanti ubujamo bezulu bilandela nesitshaba mahlangu. Ukuthola kwande isitshaba sekosi.
Omuhle sithokozile ethandeke ebusuku namhlanje siyabona ukuthi ngePumalanga enaga nokho ke mfetezana kwaphela bomakhelana bethu nakhona ngale ngeLimpopo kanti ke nasikala khona kuboMahikeng 60% amathuba wezulu kezinye indawo nokho kuhle khulu kwamambala 30% kanti ke nawuliqala khona ngapha ngeKapa nokho ke lifolonakala lilihle mimoya egijimako nje kwaphela kusasa ke siyabona ukuthi nokho ke lisasibarakela phambili mfetezana nje kwaphela kanti ke ezinye indawo nokho ke likhamba lithi ugubuzesa ngamafu kezinye indawo kusho khona ukuthi nokho ke amazinga okuchisa wethu ayachisa kuyachisa endaweni eziningi nokho ngapha ngePitori ngapha ngeJohannesburg eBruthen obukhulu Springs ngapho siyabona ukuthi nokho ke zabelithisa kamnandi khulu nanivakatshela lesifunda asiliqale khona ngapha ngeLimpopo phezulu lapha ngena boMosina wehle kabuthaka uthi ngapha ngeThoyando ngedzaneni ngapha ngePulukwane ngale ngeliphalale lithisa kamnandi khulu ngePhalaburwa khona ngapha zakujama ukuthi 1 ngapha zama ku28 nawo ngapho phasi kwadlawula le ngele khona imicane phezulu esikhukhuza kuyachisa ngeMbombela wehle uthi ngapha ngeGarlina jama ku26 ngapho ebalahleni ngapha ngesekhuna kaWandebele yonke kusasa lifuthubele kamnandi khulu kuhamba lithi parapara ngamafu uvakatshela ngapho nami enkashani ngamezi nalibona ukuthi nokho ke ngapha lihle khulu mambala ngeThekwini Richards Bay ngapho lihle khulu mambala nanivakatshela ngapho lijama lapha ku30 liyachisa asilikale ngapha ngePumalanga Kapa phezulu lapha eMalitswayi wehle uthi ngapha ngeKomane Kradog lizakujama ku37 lichisa khulu mambala ngemthatha 33 wehle uthi ngapha ngeMonde Makhanda parapara ngamafu lijama ku32 na uvakatshela lesifuna silikale khona ngapha ngeWestern Cape lichisa khulu mambala khona ngapha Fort Worth wehle uthi ngapha ngeGeorge parapara ngamafu lapha Mosel Bay lichisa khulu na khona ngapha ngeKapa sihlokomele liyachisa khulu kwamambala ngapha ngeHustal 33 na uvakatshela lesifunda asilikale khona ngapha ngeNorthern Cape yabona ukuthi nokho ke nakakhona zabe lichisa khulu endaweni eziningi ngakhona likhona izulu kodwa liyachisa kuKhanavon ngapha kuCalvina ngapho lichisa khulu kwamambala asilikale ngapha ngeFree State lapha eBothaville wehle uthi Solberg eKruisdorp ngapha ngeVelkom lapha boFrankfurt ngapho lichisa khulu kwamambala na uvakatshela lesifunda kokugcina asilikale lapha ngemaHiking wehle uthi ngapha boAuthorstall eVryburg ngapho siyalibona ukuthi likhona ngemva kwamadina